Coke get cooked like grandma's soul food. Niggas got crosses on their heads like popes, dude. A few Hail Marys, niggas really blessing you.
Oh.
Say you a killer, but niggas really testing you. The scary niggas stay inside and learn kung fu. While we was on the block trying to learn the word scale, catch a charge, beat the trial home and kick jail, and make it back to the block and won't miss a cell. Broad daylight, niggas heads off, nobody tell. Another young black victim, the cops don't care. They ran in the wrong house and killed Pops in his rocking chair. Yeah, that's how we living. Life is a blessing, homie, ain't nothing to giving. And the boy been crazy since Coleco vision. Even Carlito would have been screwed if he would have followed his vision. We getting it in, boy. Don't get it twisted from the city where the skinny niggas living, boy. Hands up, I got the semi, boy. I'm from the city where them niggas banging out till the guns empty, boy. I'm a school dropout, but real good with the street sign. Learn how to turn 1 into 2. Learn how to turn the 2-wheel bike into a soft-top coupe. Know the difference from a nigga to fruit. Know who gon' freeze up behind the gun and who gon' shoot. Excuse me, give me a moment of truth. Take a look at my eyes, walk my shoes, take my stripes. And if I lie, homie, take my life. I done been to hell, nobody to love me. 5 in the cell, stranded on Gilligan's Island with no one to help. What my life like, homie, fucking right is real. And if I owe you, fuck you, homie, I ain't paying the bill. Remember the same skinny nigga, just got a little bigger, used to cheap a lot of weed, used to drink a lot of liquor. Now his head on his floor, like sick of breaking camera, that's shooters if you're not getting a picture, boy. Get it in, boy. Get the twist from the city where the skinny niggas living, boy. Hands up, I got the semi, boy. From the city where they banging out till the guns empty, boy.
Ooh.